stop scrolling if you don't understand glycolysis. I will make sure that you won't lose your marks in the exam. Today in this video, we will be learning glycolysis reactions and enzymes so that we never forget. As we all know, glycolysis. Glycolysis is nothing but here glyco word refers to the glucose. And lysis means breakdown. Glycolysis is nothing but a glucose molecule is getting broken down into pyruvic acid. Glucose contains 6 carbon and pyruvic acid contains 3 carbon. So here 2 molecules of pyruvic acids has been generated in this glycolysis reaction. So very first we will be seeing how to remember these reactions. We will be remembering this through a trick. So what is that trick? Here few people are there who is visiting public garden in order to play PUBG. So who are they? We are saying them. Gaurav, Gauri father, Fatima father, Firdos both parents. These are the persons who goes daily 3 public garden or 2 public garden in order to play PUBG. So here G in Gaurav stands for glucose, G stands for glucose, P stands for phosphate, F stands for fructose and P stands for phosphate again. F stands for fructose. Here B in both stands for bis. See, we all know that why we are writing bis. What is the difference between bis and bi? 2 separate phosphate groups are present at different position. For example, one phosphate is present at first carbon and second phosphate is present at 6th carbon. So we are writing it as bis. If they are present on the same carbon or same position, we would call it as bi or diphosphate. So we need to write bis here because they are present on first and 6th carbon. Then coming to the G in GOS stands for glycerate 3-phosphate. D stands for dihydroxyacetone phosphate. 3 public gardens means 3 phosphoglycerate or 2 phosphoglycerate, 2 or 3 public gardens in order to play. P in play stands for phosphoenol pyruvate, PUBG. P stands for pyruvic acid. So these are the steps that we remember. Then what about the enzymes? Even I made the trick to remember the enzymes. So coming to the enzymes, see. Happy people prefer a tasty good pizza which made every day play day. So here every day is making us play day. So H in happy stands for hexokinase. P stands for phosphoglucose isomerase. Here again P in prefer stands for phosphofructokinase. See, P, prefer F is there. So fructokinase. A stands for aldolase. T in tasty stands for triose phosphate isomerase. G stands for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. P in pizza stands for phosphoglycerate kinase. M stands for phosphoglycerate mutase. E stands for enolase. P stands for pyruvate kinase. So these are the enzymes that we need to remember. Then coming to the next points that we need to remember compulsory to write in the examination, they are: it occurs in cytoplasm of the cell. It does not require oxygen. It does not require oxygen means in presence of oxygen also it occurs and in absence of oxygen also it occurs. So glycolysis is a common pathway for organism. In living organism, whether oxygen is present or not, they may occur. Then here glucose is getting converted into pyruvic acid. See, pyruvate is nothing but pyruvic acid. Glucose is getting converted into pyruvic acid. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 enzyme catalyzed reactions occur here total. 2 phases are there. How many phases? 2. Energy investment phase and energy payoff phase. Investment phase is nothing but we are investing, we are using 2 ATP molecule. In the initially, whenever we'll be starting a business, we need to invest. Some amount we need to invest. In return, we'll be getting double amount. So here, we are using 2 ATP. We are getting double. 2 plus 2, 4. So what is the net gain? 2 ATP molecules are present. 2 NADH molecules are present. 2 pyruvate is present. So here, whenever we are seeing, we are going to a shopping mall, there will be a holding like buy one get one. If we are buying one, we will get one more. So here buying 2, getting 4. So it is a, we are getting the profit of 2 ATP molecules. Bonus is nothing but, so that we can remember. Next, partial oxidation. What do you mean by partial oxidation? Carbon contains 6 carbon atom in glucose is getting converted into 3 carbon and 3 carbon. Here it is not getting broken down into 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon like this into 6 carbons. If it would have done like this, we would call it as complete oxidation is occurring. But here it's not occurring like that. Partial oxidation is occurring. It is only dividing into 2 molecules. That's why we are calling it as partial oxidation. And what are the end products we saw here? Pyruvic acid along with ATP plus NAD, PH plus H plus is the end products of the glycolysis. Then what is the fate of the pyruvic acid? See, as we saw initially, it occur in presence of oxygen, in absence of oxygen as well. In presence of oxygen, pyruvic acid is getting converted into, getting oxidized into carbon dioxide plus water molecules are released. How it is released? Through Krebs cycle. Then in absence of oxygen, same pyruvic acid is getting converted into lactic acid or ethyl alcohol. How it is getting converted into ethyl alcohol or lactic acid? Through fermentation. So this is the fate of the pyruvic acid. Hope you all remembered.